Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022. And you can join with me and make your timetable. And also, I am providing small tips and tricks and shortcuts for each subject. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same. So every day in morning before 9 am revise all basics of each subject and also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. And after that give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So and on daily basis watch editorial video. And after that on daily basis attempt a prelims mock test from one of your source. And all of you know all the topics are covered in each subject of quant reasoning and in English. And we have one remaining topic, and today we watched videos for the remaining topic. So tomorrow practice quizzes for that. So tomorrow for quant section of prelims level attempt quizzes from Smartkida website for the topic of probability. And we have many free quizzes from Smartkida website. So attempt quizzes for that. And also for reasoning section of prelims level attempt quizzes for order ranking. And today we watched a video from Byju's YouTube channel for order ranking. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for that. And in afternoon who are beginners they give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And for that English section of prelims level tomorrow attempt quizzes for the topic of match the column. And in Smartkida website we have many free quizzes. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for that. And also in afternoon who are beginners they attempt second prelims mock test of the day from one of your source. And my suggestion is who are beginners they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing they can purchase Oliveboard or Smartkida. So choose the best as per your convenience. And in afternoon who are preparing for mains attempt quizzes from Guidely app or practice PDFs for your mains preparation. And we have so many free PDFs and quizzes. So practice quizzes for our mains preparation. And if you have any doubts about these PDFs quizzes you can ask in my Telegram group your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And in my Telegram group I will share every topics of video links, PDFs, quizzes, and also I will share screenshots of my attempted quizzes. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And in evening give your time for reading current affairs. And last week we completed March current affairs. So tomorrow read from April 1st week current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And also on daily basis 1 hour read daily current affairs from one of your source. And after that before going to sleep analyze the two prelims mock test of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper and spend more time on your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you.